Tired of waiting in those endless Sam's Club checkout lines? I'm about to show you a secret weapon. Scan and go. First, download the Sam's Club app. It's free, and you'll need it to unlock the magic of skipping the checkout. Open the app and make sure you're signed in with your Sam's Club membership. Then, tap on the Scan and Go icon usually located right on the home screen. Now, the fun begins. As you shop, simply scan the barcode of each item you place in your cart. The app automatically adds it to your virtual shopping list. Keep an eye on your running total in the app. You can add or remove items as needed, ensuring you stay within your budget. Once you finish shopping, tap the checkout button in the Scan and Go section. Choose your preferred payment method. You can use your Sam's Club credit card, another credit card, or even a Sam's Club gift card. You'll receive a digital receipt within the app. Show this receipt to the employee at the designated Scan and Go exit. The employee will quickly verify your receipt, and you're on your way. No lines, no hassle, just pure shopping bliss. That's all you need to know about Scan and Go.